going on, fellas? A few of you have noticed in my recent videos that I've been growing somewhat of a beard lately. And if you remember, earlier this year I did a video called "To Beard or Not to Beard," where I debated whether I should shave my facial hair or not. By the end of the video, I ended up shaving my beard, mainly due to my frustration because of the lack of growth of my beard. Every year during the fall season, I get an urge to want to grow my beard, and I am committed this time to grow this beard. I know there's a few things that come into play when growing a beard, like lifestyle, diet, workout regimen. You're gonna need a whole lot of patience. But all in all, it all boils down to genes, whether you have it or not. One reason why I'm recommitted to growing my beard is I saw my dad recently, and he had a little bit of thing going on here. So I figure if I can inherit this from him, I can inherit this from him too. So I thought it would be cool this time around to document my journey in growing this beard. I'm gonna be trying out different products, shampooing, conditioning, and of course growing the beard. I've heard of, people, putting Rogaine on their face to grow the beard. Minoxidil as well, which I believe is in Rogaine. I've heard of the side effects of minoxidil, and it can be quite discouraging. So I'm gonna try my best to be as natural as possible. But if you guys know of any tips on growing your beard, let me know down in the comments below. Another reason why I want to grow this beard is I want to get a head start on No Shave November. I know a lot of guys that can start the month with a baby face, and by the end of the month they will look like a freaking lion. I'm not trying to grow a big old beard. This length is fine, maybe a tad bit longer than this, but for the most part I just want to cover up these bald spots right here. So again, if you know of any tips and tricks on growing your beard, let me know down in the comments below, and I look forward to documenting this journey for you guys.